Today, we got an 07 Grand Marquis. We're gonna be changing the shift solenoid.
I like this car.
Right here. It's pretty easy. Take transmission, pan bolts up out of there. And then you're gonna have this joker here. It's gonna run across just like that. Yeah, excuse me, I'm recording by myself. It's gonna run just like that. You gotta be careful with it because this thing pretty pricey at the stores. What you're gonna wanna do is you wanna get you something sharp. Me, myself, I used this here. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna, wait a minute. Let's focus. You want to put it in there, and it'll pull right up off of there, and the rest of them just pull off. Yeah. We're gonna get the new one in, and then we'll be back. You'll have two bolts, got a 10mm bolt there, and an 8mm bolt there. We'll be back.